Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an app-linked alternative app store to your Firestick, as well as the best codes to use inside that app. This way you'll be able to jailbreak your Firestick, or in other words, to load thousands of apps to your device, which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get app-linked to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. There it is, open it, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings, click on My Fire TV button right here, and here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them. Make sure to enable ADB debugging, and then go to Install Unknown Apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for Nord. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It will send you to the same offer. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open the Downloader application. There it is, open it. And here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, you gotta click on Home. And here in that search bar, we gotta enter a link, which is going to be applinked.store. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's applinked.store. So here it is, you can see the whole link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because otherwise the link is not going to work. And then click on Go. While the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content on Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps us a lot, and this way we'll be able to create even more videos for you. Then, after you hit the like button, you gotta click on the Download Applinked button in the right corner of the screen, and now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. After that, you have to click on Install and wait until Applinked gets installed to your Fire Stick. Then, don't click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary installation files on our device and save you some free space. After that, we'll have to go to settings once again. Here we are, go to My Fire TV, to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time you have to turn that option on for Applinked as well. It's a must because we'll be using Applinked to download other applications from the internet. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, and there it is, open it, and here at the bottom you'll find Applinked. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Applinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's open Applinked. And here what you gotta do is click on add a store button. So here we'll be entering the codes, and the first code is going to be 675 168 052. So once again, the code is 675 168 052. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see, then click on next and click on add. Then we have to go to the saved stores, and from here you'll be able to select the code that we just entered. Then we'll click on open, and in a couple of moments the App Store is going to open up for you. I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available in that app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to blurry. But still, I can describe to you what kind of apps you are going to find inside. So first of all, you'll find quite a bunch of different movie applications which have the newest movies and TV shows inside. Then there are some live TV players, TV shows, and utility apps which might come in handy for you. So that was the first code of today, and now let's go back so I could show you even more codes. So we gotta click on add a store again. And the second code is going to be 7160. So the code is 7160. Click on next. Click on the add button and again go to saved stores. Now you have to select the new code which we just added from the list. Click on open and the App Store has opened. So here you also find quite a lot of unique movie applications which might be unavailable in other app stores, as well as some IPTV players, movie players, utility apps, file management applications, even some adult apps, cleaner applications, live TV players, live sports applications, alternative app stores, mouse toggles, and stuff like that. So that's a pretty decent app store which has around 30 different applications inside. Now let's go back and I'll show you a couple more codes. So the next code is going to be 980606. Once again, it's 980606. Click on next, add the code, go to saved stores and select that code from the list, then click on open. That code is mostly dedicated for people who love movies and TV shows because it has a lot of different movie applications. All of them are updated and should work fine on any Android TV or Amazon Fire Stick device. So if you are into movies, then this library is for you. Now let me show you the last code of the day. It's going to be 1985 and then 0000. So once again, it's 19850000. Then click on next, click on add, go to saved stores, select that code and let's open it. So this is one of the biggest libraries and probably one of my favorite codes for Applinked. They have movie applications, TV shows, web browsers, adult applications, all kinds of utility apps, documentary movie applications, live TV channels, sports channels, IPTV players, media players, pretty much all kinds of apps are available in that alternative app store. So you definitely should check it out. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.